Hi, my name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone. www.koffeeone.com.au. Welcome back to our demonstrations on how to make beverages on the HZG Rex Royale S200. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how easy it is to make a latte. You take your latte glass and you place under the spout at the front. You then go to the touchscreen and you select latte. It's just ground the beans. It's now about to pour the coffee. There's your espresso shot being poured. You'll now get your fresh milk over the top. And then it'll automatically convert over foam, so you've got your layered latte. And that's as easy as it is. And you have yourself one fantastic latte. Thank you for watching our demonstration on the HZG Rex Royale S200 making a latte. My name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone. www.koffeeone.com.au